Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Priya. So as I'm learning Flow Builder from the Trailhead Course, so I covered last two lectures all about my last two models on the Flow Builder. So there the third model needed to be read somehow. We have to read some build simple flow, so that I covered, and the second last lectures on the build so simple flow, that was covered. If you need them and then you wanted to be go updated with that, so go and watch it. I already done all the challenges which is covered with these two model. If you need it, go and watch that. And in this lecture I will discuss the branch the flow. So let's move to the next task. So this is the next task for that, build a simple flow. So now we have to go into the decision. Let's keep the decision. Why can't it not going little down? Oh my goodness. Like, okay, we can keep like this. Okay, so now we have to drag, and then we wanted to keep decision. So decision is come under the logic. So now we have to keep that decision update and create, that we wanted to change. Like last we checked, firstly we created a create account, a new account, and which would not be existing, having any existing matching with the existing one. That we also check with the checking the contact, and now we wanted to update it. If it is there, then we don't have to be create again. It needed to be updated. If it is not, then we have to create a new contact. So now for this one we wanted to be, get decision, like somehow indicator its things will be happen in this one. So now the outcome, we have a two outcomes section. Like the first one is the default outcome, and another one is that we wanted to create, like somehow input or outcome, any custom outcome also we can create. So now we wanted to create a custom outcome. So now we will create a new custom outcome with the name of, so let's create a new one. Okay, okay, we have already option now. So so I deleted the previous one, and then we keep this one and then this one. Okay, now API is also done. Now we have a condition. If the account, whatever the things we are writing on the new contact, like a first name, last name, that if it is there in the contact, existing contact, that it needed to be updated. It doesn't needed to be create another, and it just have to be overwritten the details of that field. If it is not there, then we have to be create the new account. So that condition we wanted to check. So for that reason we have to condition to be all met, and then resources, what, first name, last name, like this. So the toggle values we will check. As if you remember the last thing, the last first lecture of that build flow, there we uses one toggle as well for checking the existing account is there or not, like the account whatever we are writing on it, if it is there or not. So that will be handled by the toggle. Okay, so now we have to check with that similar condition we are keeping. Another resources we have to keep, that is the find match that we created, and then inside it we have to again check the const value is false or true. So let's keep the const value. Why we are searching, directly copy and paste. As I already said, this is a simple formula we have written. Not equal to dollar sign. Dollar sign, if we keep any of the variable name before the variable name, that means we wanted to check the value of that. Okay, so that value of that global const, it should be the false. Then it's not equal to this one, so it should be true, right? At the end it should be true. So now we have to keep this one, and then we have to, okay, that we must be the is null. Okay, is null, because we are checking a find, so it should be in the boolean. So right now we have to go into the select default. Let's do the select default, and then we have to create a new one. Okay, let's create a record record, and then we have to keep the name should be, they are asking for a name, is a create new. Let's create new, and then, oh, I'm so sorry, this is the short note. Okay, now I'm back with that. Okay, now we have to click here, and then we have to select, and then outcome will be, and then we have to directly select this one, right? Done it. Okay, they asking for a condition. I don't think so they will ask, because this is not a required one. Let's save this one. Oh, again it is asking for it. Of course they will ask, because we needed to be add some condition into here. So I will delete that one, and the default name should be the create new. Oh my god, I am wrong with that reading part. Okay, let it be for that. And then we have the, so now this is the similar image, we got it as you can see here. So now we have to save this one and check the challenge is completed or not. Obviously it will complete, finger cross, and obviously we got the 100 points for sure. So I will, as you can see that I already have some short note on it. I am creating some short note on the flow builder. If you need that, go and watch it in the description. I give all required details on it. And do subscribe to my channel for sure. If you are new on my channel, I have completed so many courses on the velocity CPQ and velocity order management. If you want to watch and learn it, so go and watch that playlist of it, and I will definitely give this link as well in the description as well. Go and check it out, and do your constructive feedback so that I can improve myself, and somehow some courses to be new added into the channel. And as you can see, I got 100 points, and you will definitely got it if you do the similar one. So till then, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned with me, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Bye bye.